How to connect router to router with LAN cable. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, make sure your second router supports WDS bridging or has bridge mode. Then determine which router will be the main router. After that, get a long enough Ethernet cable to connect your two routers. Connect your main router to the internet. After that, connect your computer to the main router. Go to your router's admin website, log in as an administrator, then turn on DHCP as shown on screen. Save your changes and disconnect. Connect the second router to your computer. Log into this router's admin website. Then enable bridging mode on this router. As shown on screen, configure bridging. Then update the Wi-Fi settings on the secondary router as shown on screen. Then connect the two routers together. Restart both routers once connected. You can do this by unplugging each router's power cable and plugging it back in a few seconds later. That's how to connect router to router with LAN cable. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.